Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do this high braided ponytail on my thick hair. So I'm just placing my hair in halves, one at the front, one at the back, just so I can get it to be really high. I found that the last time I tried this, my ponytail was actually really high. So I'm just splitting it in half and detangling it. I'm gonna start off with my male organics leave-in conditioner. Then I'm gonna add my extreme wetline gel, smooth that onto my hair. Then I'm gonna get the Shannon Jam Magic Fingers hair pomade or jam, whatever, and just smooth that onto the hair as well. I'm gonna also using this on my edges, but this is just to smooth everything else. Then I'm taking my bedhead hard edge spray just to give it a little bit more hold, and yeah, just to help it to keep in place and give it some hold. And then I'm just gonna smooth that in, and once I'm done with that section, I'm gonna do the back and then add it to this front section, and then everything will be all in one place on the top of my head. So next I'm smoothing in my edges with the Shannon Jam again, and I'm trying to do this quickly because I noticed that when I started using this, it doesn't really stay. Like, I have to be really quick. You guys will see what I mean when we get to the end. But you see how it's smoothing on my edges right here, and it looks nice. You have to be quick with this because of course your hair will naturally start to revert. That's if your hair isn't like thick or has like this texture, like, I don't know, but this, like how my edges looks right now, was not how it looked when I took off like the wrap strips. braiding here. Yeah, I used 2 bundles. Then I'm gonna combine both and make like a knot with my scrunchie and just tie that around the bun, the top bun, because I put the hair in a bun just so I could have like an anchor on the braid. Then I'm gonna leave out a little piece of hair just so I can wrap it at the roots. Then just braid down the rest of the hair and seal the ends with just elastic bands. And yeah, but I'm gonna flip over the braid and then put it over the bun. But remember that you shouldn't really do the braid too tight, because then you can't do this. So do it loosely at the roots so you can put the braid over the bun. So I'm just gonna pin down the sides with that little piece of hair that you left out before, just wrap it around at the roots. So I wanted to have like a curly end of the braid, so I just got a perm rod and wrapped that around, got some hot water in a cup and dipped it for like a minute or so, not too long, and then I left it. So just do that. If you want to add like more stuff, you can use a flexi rod or a perm rod, it doesn't matter. And yeah, this is a finished look. I did this makeup look off camera for IGTV, so if you're interested in seeing it, just go on my IG. Yeah, so if you guys like this video and found it informative and helpful, like this video. If you're not subscribed as yet, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video.